Hi guys, welcome back. Myself Akshayan. I'm currently pursuing my BE in SSC Bangalore. My topic is Web Framework in Django. Introduction to Django Web Framework. Django is a high-level Python web framework. It encourages rapid development and clean pragmatic design. Django follows the model view template architectural pattern. Built-in features of Django. Admin interface. Automatically generated admin interface for managing your site's content. ORM enables interaction with databases using Python objects, simplifying data access and manipulation. URL routing maps URLs to views, directing incoming requests to the appropriate functions. Template engine renders HTML templates with Python code, promoting code reuse and maintainability. Form handling simplifies form creation, validation, and processing for user input. Authentication and authorization. Built-in system for user authentication, permissions, and session management. Security features. Includes protection against common web vulnerabilities like SQL injection and cross-site scripting. Middleware support. Allows modifying HTTP requests and responses globally, facilitating common tasks such as logging and caching. Scalability and performance in Django. Django's scalability can be enhanced through use of caching mechanisms. It can handle high traffic websites efficiently. Django's performance can be optimized by using tools like Django Debug Toolbar. Django Templating Engine. Django uses a powerful templating engine to build dynamic web pages. Templates are HTML files with additional Django template language features. Template inheritance allows for code reusability and maintainability. Django URL routing. URL routing in Django is defined in the project's URL configuration file. URLs are mapped to view functions which determine the response to be returned. Django's URL patterns support regular expressions for flexible routing. Django models and databases. Models in Django represent database tables and relationships. Django's ORM simplifies database operations by using Python objects. Database migrations in Django ensure consistency between models and database schema. Django Forms. Django Forms simplify the process of handling user input. Forms can validate user data and handle form submissions. Django's form handling includes built-in CSRF protection for security. Django authentication and authorization. Django provides built-in authentication and authorization mechanisms. User authentication can be easily integrated in Django projects. Permissions and groups allow for fine-grained access control. Django REST Framework. Django REST Framework is a powerful toolkit for building web APIs. It provides serialization, authentication, permissions out of the box. DRF supports multiple formats like JSON, XML, and YAML. Django security best practices. Django includes built-in protections against common security threats. Cross-site scripting and SQL injection vulnerabilities are mitigated by default. Developers should follow best practices like input validation and secure password storage. Django middleware. Middleware in Django allows for processing requests and responses globally. It can perform tasks like authentication, logging, and response modification. Middleware can be customized and ordered based on project requirements. It is a way to globally modify requests entering and responses leaving your Django application. Middleware classes are executed sequentially in the order they are defined in settings.py. Django internationalization and localization. Django supports internationalization for translating web application. Localization allows for adapting content to different languages and regions. Language translations are stored in language files for easy management. Django template tags and filters. Template tags and filters extend the functionality of Django templates. Tags provide logic and control flow within templates. Filters allow for data manipulation and formatting within templates. Django caching. Django provides built-in caching mechanisms to improve performance. Caching can be applied at various levels like database queries and template fragments. Different caching backends are supported, including in-memory and database caching. Django testing. Django includes a testing framework for writing and running tests. Tests can be written for model, views, forms, and other components. Test cases ensure the functionality and reliability of Django applications. Django deployment options. Django applications can be deployed using various hosting services. Deployment options include traditional servers, cloud platforms, and containers. Continuous integration and deployment tools can streamline the deployment process. Django community and ecosystem. Django has a vibrant community for developers and contributors. The Django Software Foundation oversees the development and governance of Django. A wide range of third-party packages and extensions extend Django's capabilities. Django documentation and resources. Django provides comprehensive documentation for developers. The official Django website offers tutorials, guides, and release notes. Mailing lists and conferences provide additional support and resources. Future trends in Django development. Django continues to evolve with new features and improvements. The Django community drives innovations through contributions and feedback. Trends like serverless computing and microservices influence the future of Django development. Conclusion. Django is a powerful and versatile web framework for building modern web applications. Its robust features, scalability, and security make it a popular choice among developers. By following best practices and leveraging Django's capabilities, developers can create efficient and secure web applications. This was all about web framework. Thank you.